Alright guys, I'm doing a review of these Allergy Smart Cookies. These are free from top 10 allergens. As you can see, dairy, gluten, eggs. So, this one is their oatmeal raisin. If you guys want to see the other double chocolate and the snickerdoodle, you can watch my previous video. This is the ingredients. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. So it's made with oats, brown sugar, dried raisins, vanilla, and tapioca. So that's the nutrient panel there. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so that's what they look like. My favorite so far has been the double chocolate. The snickerdoodle one was hard as a rock, so this one looks pretty hard as well. So let's do a quick taste test. Oh yeah. Okay, that is hard as a rock. That's like almost worse than snickerdoodle. The best one is probably the double chocolate. It's the softest one. These are hard as rock, guys. So taste wise, it tastes pretty good. It tastes like an oatmeal raisin, slightly sweet, slightly on the sweet side. Not bad though. The snickerdoodle is way more sweet than this one is. It's got some raisins. You can definitely taste the oatmeal in there. Yeah, definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.